In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from the Commonwealth Bank. Really simple, you just need to log into your account first and that will bring you to this screen. Once you're on this screen where it says here Transfers and BPay, you're going to hover down to where it says Transfers and BPay again. Click on this option. Now once this here loads, you need to select the account you wish the payment to come from. So this is just going to be my income and bills account. I'll click on this. And then from here, you're going to click on the to option. There's a few different ways you can do this. You can add a new bank account details here. You can add some bank details here. You can do BPay, or you can select an existing account, which is through here. So we're just going to select an existing account. Now from here, you can select the amount and input the description. Once that's confirmed, click next. This will most likely send you a net code to your phone, so you can confirm that it's actually you sending this. There will be a confirmation page, and that's simple as that. That is all. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.